Hello, this tutorial is going to show you how to change the login screen background, which is exactly the same as changing your desktop background. First, we're going to look at the final result. Then we are going to look at the tutorial. Changing the login screen background is as easy as changing your desktop background. Well, it is actually changing the desktop background. However, there is one thing you need to be aware of. When you first start up your laptop, it is not going to show you the new background. You will need to log in first, and then lock the screen or log out. Then you will see your new background. Here's how to change your desktop background. Go to your desktop, right-click any blank space on the desktop. A menu will pop up, and from the menu, click Change Desktop Background. Select any of the images from the options, or click on the plus button to select a specific folder. Once you have selected an image, you will see the new background image immediately. For more quick and easy tutorials to help you enjoy your Mac even more, make sure to check out my channel. Hope this helps. Bye!